In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. Merging tasks is a great way to clean up duplicates and keep your project organized, and the process only takes a minute. We'll walk through it together from start to finish, so you know exactly what to expect and what to look for afterward. Start by opening the list that contains the tasks you want to combine. In ClickUp, that means navigating from your space into the right folder and then into the specific list. Make sure you're actually viewing the list view so you can see the checkboxes next to each task. If you're using another view, switch to List at the top. It also helps to clear any filters or search terms so all relevant tasks are visible before you proceed. Next, select the tasks to merge. Hover your mouse over the task you plan to merge into another, and click the checkbox on the left to select it. Then click the checkbox for the other task or task you want to combine with it. You can select multiple tasks here. If you pick the wrong one, no worries, just uncheck it before moving on. Selecting them first puts you into bulk edit mode, which is what we want. With your tasks selected, look to the top of the list for the More Actions menu. It's the 3 dots icon. Click that to open the Bulk Actions panel. This is where ClickUp keeps options that apply to everything you've selected. Choose Merge Tasks from the menu. ClickUp will ask you to choose the primary task. The primary task is the one that will remain after the merge, and it will inherit information from the others. Pick the task that has the title, description, status, and settings you want to keep as the main record. Take a quick moment to double-check this choice because it's not something you'll want to redo. When you're confident, click Merge to combine the tasks. Finally, open the primary task to review the result. You should see comments, attachments, and any subtasks from the merged task or tasks added into this primary task. Scroll through the activity and subtasks to confirm everything came over as expected. It's also a good idea to skim the description, assignees, due dates, and custom fields to make sure the details match what you need. If anything looks off, you can tidy up the text or adjust fields right here. And that's how you merge tasks in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.